part of, okay? So first we have...
My name is Izzy, and I'm on the team Serene Sons.
I'm Chance Vu, and I'm from Ntxhais.
Okay, so this is how we're gonna do. We're gonna have one of them perform first to the song, and then for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna go switch to the other individual, okay? So how about this? We'll have you do rock, paper, scissors to see who will go first. Okay? So you're gonna show as shoot, okay? So rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, ready? Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. All right. We have a winner. Okay, so we'll have you go first. All right. And so this is a random song. All right. So the stage is all yours. Okay. Oh my gosh, that was so good.
Wow, you gotta show me those dance moves.
All right, ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, so we're going to let you all be the judges, okay? So, oh no. Okay. So we're just gonna have you scream, okay? Okay, so first off, our first competitor, Chance from Ntxhais.
All right. Now we have Izzy from Serene Sons. Whoa! Okay.
Okay, you guys
I
ready?
think we heard who our winner was, okay? 1, 2, 3. Izzy from Serene Sons!
Good job.
Good
you
job
both were
to both
amazing.
Chance and
Oh my
Izzy
gosh.
today. You guys did amazing. And we hope to see more competing soon.